All right, another update. What would I do? I'm late on this because everyone's at SEMA, the Glocking over the freaking all the C8s that are over there. But what would I do if GM randomly selected me and I had a 632 to play with? Vacuum. It would go in the two-door Tahoe for two reasons. I don't know. I'm a steak guy, yo. I'm a Wagyu. I'm a ribeye kind of guy. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I'm a big block steaks. I'm not so much on IPAs anymore, but the big block has been calling my name for a while, and I like it. I like that it's calling my name. I would put it in the two-door, obviously because, you know, big blocks, cubes, torque, all that other kind of stuff. And another reason is that it's already been done before. 632 has already been put into an OBS. It was put into a 454 truck by Tom Nelson Racing Engines, NRE, the baddest shit on the planet.
Pump gas Warrior 632 in this. Check out this exhaust. Fucking sewer pipes, man. Interior is pretty much all stock. Everything looks all stock on this thing. Well, this is what's under the hood of this baby. It's a 632-inch pump gas Warrior series.
If there's any like one person in the shop or it that runs a shop that I would just want to talk to about motors, I would just like to even to sit and observe how he goes about the process of everything. If you guys don't know Tom Nelson or Nelson Racing Engines, look it up. He definitely does not do it for the gram. His company has been up since '95, and he's been doing twin turbo big block since like 1998, 2002, way before anyone else was doing that kind of stuff. He has a video of it doing it in a OBS truck, and I love it. I would dig it. It fits and it sounds so good. If I had it, I would. Oh my god, dumps right there where my finger is. 4 right there, each side. Oh my god. Oh, just and on like 15. No, these are 16s. What, 16 or 17 inches, 10-inch wides all the way around. Oh my god. Okay, this is how you know I am a car guy and I'm gonna be around this forever. I'm literally broke. The Tahoe is down for the count and the Ram is down for the count. So what I think I'm gonna do is I've been trying to make it hustle. I was using the Ram to deliver campers. If you haven't seen on the channel before, I'm doing side work all the time. You know, I was in the process of actually probably hiring my neighbor to drive the truck, and I would do some other crazy stuff. But I don't know. I guess I really don't want to get like a regular 9 to 5, because then I'll be stuck. And I don't know. But maybe I'll do it to get some funds up to help me out. You know, to make something happen, because I'm kind of stuck in a rut. But even now, being stuck like this, I still think about stuff like this. Yeah, you know, I don't got a crazy amount of money to spend on the Tahoe right now, but it's like I tell everybody, this, you know, whatever it ends up being, it could be this car, it could be another car I'm working on, another car I have, it's not gonna go away. It's literally not gonna ever not be part of my life. Whether I do have a 632, or I'm just thinking about it, or I just stay up late at night seeing, you know, different swap idea kits and parts and accessories, and just to see how everything, you know, if you were to do it, I always just like to always look up that kind of stuff. And then back to the Tom Nelson stuff, I remember when I first saw him in Hot Rod Magazine in like 2006. people talk about cam profiles and turbo motors, and my mind would just go on a whole nother, the air, you know, airflow, and then the water going through a cylinder with a port and the pipe and everything connected, and that's the kind of shit that I love. So if I had a 632, it would go in here. I have no idea what transmission will be behind it, because there's nothing probably around here that would even hold up to that amount of torque that that thing makes. But I did find out that Tom Nelson uses a 4L85E on his like big boy builds. And there's an option right there to build, like, you know, to handle 2,000 horsepower. So that just goes to show the 4L80 or 4L85 platform, you know, pretty much a turbo 400 with an overdrive. It's stout. It's the go-to. Everyone has one, so I would go to put an 80 in here. You know, since Monster Transmissions isn't helping me out with that, so there's that. If I had a 632, I would put it in here. I know it would fit, and I would be a heavy camper. So that's it.